Enchanted Kingdom ay first of its kind sa Philippines. We love it at the first time they opened up the park. Few years later, we still love it. So what better way to enjoy the good life than to experience the fun and the magical excitement of the rides of Enchanted Kingdom? Only here on Sports Lifestyle. After a grueling match of sport, a strong along tile pavement of Enchanted Kingdom to loosen up really works. It is true what they say. There's really a kid in all of us. Sa aming pagpasyal sa Enchanted Kingdom, nakita namin ang mga pagbabago na nangyari to improve the overall operation of the park. For one, they made all-time favorite Space Shuttle very safe by installing hydraulics for pull-down harness. Di ka matatakot dahil sobrang safe.
Una-una, lahat ng mga rides namin dito ay of international standards, no? At mini-maintain namin to ng tama. May mga procedures kaming ginagawa para sa ganon talaga ma-minimize ang mga aksidente. At sa buong 15 taon na Enchanted Kingdom, awa ng Diyos, wala pa naman talagang aksidenteng na nangyari. May mga insidente pero walang injuries.
The same is true with the EK Extreme Tower. You get scared only when going up dahil suspense. But once you get to reach the top, you'll feel that you really don't need to fret because of the safety features of the ride.
Makikita natin dito sa aking likuran, ito ang aming tinatawag na EK Extreme Tower Ride. Ito ang pinakabago naming attraction. So ito'y 150 feet drop tower, parang 10 feet for every year of EK's existence.
The same is with all the other rides, like Anchors Away, Log Jump, Rio Grande, Flying Fiesta, you'll also find Bump Car, Wheel of Fate, and all the other rides. And many others are so much fun.
Inisip namin kasi na maraming pwedeng ilagay sapagkat marami talagang mga kombinasyon ng mga rides and attractions na pwedeng bilhin. Ngunit kailangan din natin i-consider yung presyo ng mga rides na ito sapagkat ito ipapasa rin natin ultimately sa mga guests natin. Kaya kung masyadong mahal, hindi kakayanin ng taong bayang Pilipino.
The great thing about this is that the park provides rides for kids that they do enjoy. Not to mention arcades and food stores and other fun areas.
Talagang gusto namin nga, pag pumasok ka sa loob ng gates ng Enchanted Kingdom, hindi ka na nga lalabas muna. Doon ka na mag-e-enjoy ng rides, ang mga attractions, doon ka rin mag-e-enjoy ng mga shows, at of course, doon ka rin mag-e-enjoy ng mga pagkain at iba pang mga kakanin.
So if you haven't experienced the magic of Enchanted Kingdom, you'll see. Uulit-ulitin ninyo ang pagpunta dito dahil walang kasing saya ang Enchanted Kingdom.
Nais ko imbitahan ang ating lahat ng televiewers dito sa UNTV na kung pwede, bumisita kayo dito sa amin sa Enchanted Kingdom. Sa mga araw na ito, hanggang 2nd week of December, ang Enchanted Kingdom ay bukas pag weekdays, 12 o'clock to 7 p.m. in the evening. At pag weekend, Saturday and Sunday, it's 11 o'clock to 9 p.m. at may kasamang fireworks pa. Talaga mag-e-enjoy kayo pag bubisita kayo dito sa amin sapagkat hindi lang ninyo mararanasan yung aming exciting rides and attractions, but also mabubusog rin kayo at matutuwa kayo sa aming mga ibang mga offerings sa loob.
What are you waiting for? Enjoy now and do get left behind, because this is all part of our fun itinerary here on Sports Lifestyle.